How to integrate AI Assistant in Botsify. From the dashboard, go to Chatbot AI and click on AI Assistant. Now create an AI Assistant after that. Choose your LLM and enter the details such as API key, assistant name, model. Enter some instructions for your AI assistant. The source of content. Max tokens. The maximum number of tokens to generate is shared between the prompt and completion. Temperature controls randomness, lowering results in less random completions. Top controls diversity via nucleus sampling. And fallback message from the text or by integrating a story. Now save the settings and go to upload your files and train them. Now go to Chatbot AI and create a story. Type user input. Drag AI Assistant and select your created assistant. Now save the flow. After that, make your story to default. Test your chatbot. That's it. Thanks for watching.